Hey y'all, so I am back with another try on haul for No Sleep Boutique, and I don't even know what I'm doing. A lot of videos, so I don't even know what order this is gonna be. So my hair might be different and everything, I don't know. So yeah, but I gotta get it done. I gotta, multitask because I gotta take pictures, send onesies, all that type of stuff. So yeah, but anyway, but I want to introduce y'all to our two-piece, our drop seat two-piece set. Drop seat two-piece set, and these are my favorite sets. Right now I'm wearing the one in gray. And I'm wearing it high-waisted. You can wear it low if you want to. And then the top is like a crop top. But if you don't want to show your stomach, then wear the shorts high-waisted like me. And I also paired it with this gray socks. Y'all probably can't see it that much, but yeah. But anyway, and it also comes with the butt flap for even quicker access, y'all. For even quicker access. So I know y'all can take down the shorts, but the butt flap is for even quicker access, if you know what I mean. So yeah, and it gives it a little extra, a little extra, like a little different. So yeah, and I'm wearing a size medium. A medium. These do go up to a 3XL. They also come in 3 other colors. And I will be doing the pink color next. I'll be doing the pink color next, y'all. So, I don't know. I should be looking right here. I need to stop looking right here. I need to be looking right here. But anyway, y'all, so, all right. Well, anyway. All right, y'all. So I see y'all in the next clip. That's all I got to say about, this two-piece set. I'm trying to make sure I look in the right direction. All right, y'all. So we got the pink and the drop seat two-piece. And I feel like it's giving maybe a baby pink. Like a baby pink or something. But anyway, I don't know if I mentioned on here because I am recording content for Instagram, but our two-piece sets will have 3 buttons. So that's the only thing that will have 3 buttons, our two-piece sets. And our onesies and rumpers will have 7 buttons. So, yeah. So this is the pink, or baby pink, little light pink. And there's the drop seat in the back. And it's high-waisted, very high waist. You can wear it low if you want to show more of your stomach, but I like that tummy control because it's giving look at that waist. It's giving losing weight though. It's giving losing weight. Yeah. But anyway, y'all like this one? Y'all like this one? What else I got to say? Cause I want to hold y'all. I really do want to hold y'all. And I know my hair keeps switching up. That's because I'm recording on different days. I don't know if I feel like this will look better in a ponytail. So I'm gonna wear a ponytail. It's just my visual. Like I just got a visual for everything. Like y'all, like, I am not about to work myself. I will record once a day. Once a day. And make it my routine, get ready, do my hair, whatever. And then do this. I'm not about to sit up here and be doing 3, 4, 5 in one day. No. But anyway. So y'all like this? Let me know in the comments if y'all like this and you'll be shopping for yourself, your mom, sister, you know, cousins, whoever. And I am wearing a medium in this one. Of course, y'all already know. I can pretty much wear any size because they are super stretchy and they run a little bit big. Okay. It's giving. I lost weight. Yeah. All right, y'all. I am back. So now I have the blue version of the Drop Seat 2-piece set. And I paired it up with the red, white, and blue thigh-high socks. It looks so cute together. And I'm loving this blue. Like, it goes good with my skin tone. I gotta love Jones for your body and your skin tone. And here's a butt flap in the back, just like the gray and the pink. But I gotta do content in it anyway, because even though the Drop Seat 2-piece sets come in 4 different colors, I can't just post one color. I gotta post all the colors, because you know, when you selling things, people gotta see what they getting nowadays. They gotta see what they getting. So yeah, I love the blue. And I'm about to do the red next. And of course, it's high waist just like the other one. And I believe each color gives you a different vibe, gives you a different look, gives you a different feel. So colors definitely matter. I thought the gray was my favorite. I don't know, it might be the blue. I don't know. It's between the blue and the gray, but I haven't tried on the red one yet, y'all. So I don't know. I might have a change of heart. Yeah. It's giving tummy control. That's what I need. All right, y'all. I'm not going to hold y'all up too much longer. Let's get into this red one. So, y'all, real quick, look what I paired the blue crop top with. The red shorts from the Drop Seat set. The red version. Because I was on my way to try on the red set. So I was like, let me pair it up with the blue crop shirt. And with my red, white, and blue thigh-high socks. Like, 4th of July is coming up, so why not? You know, mix and match it like this, though. Y'all like this, how I put this together? And vice versa, you can do the red crop top and then the blue shorts. You can do it like that. But you got to get both sets in order to get this look, though. Because we don't sell them mix and match like this. So, this is just something I was playing with. And I was like, I was already changing clothes. So, why not? Yeah. Yeah, so I came back and say that, though. That's all. Let me go put on the red crop top so I can go ahead and get to the full look of the red version. All right, y'all. Right, look what I got. So I'm back with the full-blown red version of the Drop Seat 2-piece. Yeah. And it's the same thing, y'all. Same thing, just different color. So, you know, I ain't got too much to say. Yeah. So, there is the back. Same thing. Butt flap. Same thing on this side, too. butt flap. Oh, if I never mentioned the material, polyester spandex, stretchy material. Okay, smooth, not itchy, nothing like that. I put everything in the description on the website. I didn't leave nothing out. And by the way, y'all, these thigh-high socks do go all the way up. All the way up. You walk around them without the belt on, if you walk around for a long period of time, they will slide just a little bit. Not all the way to the ankle though, but they will slide just a little bit though. But they do go all the way up to your thighs. Somebody is always texting when I'm filming, whether it's bill collectors, whatever. But yeah, y'all, look at these thigh-high socks. And I still got on the red, white, and blue thigh-high socks because you can pair it up with this set as well. So yeah, they're not going nowhere. All right, y'all. So that's it for this video. This was a drop seat 2-piece set video. Nothing but the drop seats. And yeah, we got it in. I got it in. It's a lot more to do. And y'all know it's a lot more. So I gotta film those too. So all right. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more video hauls, y'all. Y'all not liking these videos enough. Y'all not liking them enough. Y'all not commenting. Y'all not doing anything. How I'm supposed to know what y'all like? I know y'all like the hauls, but I need more lights. I need more lights from y'all. Okay? And make sure y'all follow the Instagram, No Sleep Boutique LLC, on Instagram for full looks or whatever. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.